Hello everyone. So in the series of covering a project, we had our first video on the BRICS chain, which goes by bricschain.io. So the portal is nice and we had a decent discussion about what BRICS chain is actually doing. But there's one more important update and something to see about is that as BRICS chain is operating in the BRICS nation network, and we all are aware that BRICS nation network is already working or thinking of bringing a common currency which will be circulated and which will be in say circulation across the BRICS nations, just like Europe did for the euro. So similar concept is being thought of and coined by a few economists in the BRICS nation theory also. But one thing that is for sure is that even if BRICS is having a currency, common currency culture, but still there will be differences, there will be problems, because every nation will hold on to its own currency separately. They will not completely shift to this common currency, and that is again when the common problems of running on the fiat currency will occur. And that is where a blockchain based token which can operate seamlessly across all the nations will come into picture, and that is where the BRICS project, BRICS chain, will be playing a part. So the BRICS chain, as it is going for real world tokenization and real world asset monetization concept, so they will be more helpful in forming a common currency like this, which can be seamlessly transferred, dealt with, and can seamlessly be having a value across all the nations. Since BRICS chain's concept is about building the real world asset tokenization, so definitely when you're having a real world asset tokenization, the concept is that a real world is backing the assets, and that's when the currency will be having or drawing a value against the local asset valuation. So this will make the BRICS chain token more stable, more robust, and more acceptable the nations that are covered in the BRICS theory. So this will actually form a good basis for in the times to come for having a nation. Although G20 is also thinking of having its own currency, but you know, it is not easy for a dollar dominated economy to be broken just by a few nations. So I think the only solution is not a currency that can be monitored, that can be floated across the nations against dollar, and rather it will be better if we are having a common currency in the tokenized format, that is the Web3 or the crypto format, which will be a more successful one because of the ease of transactions, which will not be required from like the difference in the licenses or the procedures across different banks. It can be seamlessly transferred across wallets. So this is something that places bricschain.io as a project in the center of the ecosystem, and this gets our hopes high on this project, that if this happens and if BRICS chain is able to solve this scenario and break this narrative of transaction of currency across different nations, definitely it is going to boon to the ecosystem, and not just the economy but also the crypto ecosystem. This again places our reliance on the BRICS chain project, and further detailed discussion on the same project will keep coming and bringing you more interesting facts about bricschain.io. For now, thank you so much. Bye bye.